Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can tell, I have my nails done. Basically what I did is how to get nails to last for 3 weeks, and hopefully it lasts for 3 weeks. I'm in day 2 and it's already still intact. I'll show you how I do my French nail. I took you guys through everything. I showed you how I buffed it, how I prepared it, how I dehydrated it, how I did everything. And hopefully this lasts for 3 weeks, and I'll give you a review in my next video since I like to post every week. This is Vlogmas day 22. Yeah, 22, because I post every single Sunday a full-length video and a short every single day. And I've been consistent. I've posted every single day, and this is amazing. Vlogmas is almost ending, and I can't wait to share more content with you guys. But please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah. For this, I'm going to be needing my nail kit, clippers, buff, file, cuticle pusher, and a brush. Nail of choice, a French tip. These are for my toes because I'm going to be doing Christmas themed toes. Is not going to match with this whatsoever. Nail remover for my fingers, as it has this nail shrimping it in. The best glue ever. It was £9. This says select the correct size nail profile, if anything, size up and then trim it down. Push back cuticles, buff nails from cuticle to the tip, the lower inner half and the lower inner half of the false nail. Wipe the natural nail with dehydrator until squeaky clean. Brush nail onto the entire natural nail and then the lower half of your false nail. Apply the nail on an angle, press down towards the squeezing out air bubbles, apply pressure in the center, then the sides until secure. If bubbles appear, reapply. Keep hands out of water for 1 hour. I'm going to keep out for 3 hours. I would also need, as you can see, a dehydrator and primer. And this is another nail thing that I have. Last but not least, I have other nails if I change my mind. Let's get started. All my stuff to the side, and what I'm going to be doing is selecting what nail will fit. If I can't use these nails, I'm going to go with the black one. So I'm going to put time lapse on. This one is a bit small, so I'm going to get my Primark kit. Let me just open the Primark kit if I can. And it's too big, so I'm going to trim it down a bit. It's the first time doing this, so. But I'm an engineer. Isn't this the same as engineering? Making stuff fit. I'm gonna do it on both sides. Is this a buff? That's perfect. Oh my gosh, I ate that up. So now I'm gonna go in with my nail remover. I'm gonna put everything in here in case of any dripping. I'm gonna remove the nail polish that I already have on. This is a bit harsh, which kind of scares me. Don't worry. I'm gonna wash my hands after with hot water, and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, just rinse my hand in water. I made my hand very dry for this. Rinsed, and I'm gonna go and push my cuticles back. Okay, this is my first time. Ignore the dust, but this is the step I'm gonna be doing. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna buff my nails. I'm a bit scared for this, but apparently you start from down below. Is this the buffer? How dry that is. I'm going to dehydrate the nails one at a time because I saw that you need some time. So dehydrate. No, this is a primer. First I'm going to dehydrate. I'm doing this all one at a time. Dehydrate the whole nail. Allow it to air dry. While I'm allowing that to air dry, I'm opening this. This is it. The real brand, by the way. Now that that's dehydrated, go in with the primer. I can feel it go in my cuticles. I don't know how I feel about that. Now I'm going to apply the glue. I think that's dry. The whole thing. I don't know how much glue I need. And then I'm going to apply it to the tips. Just like how it said in the instructions. I'm going to let this to dry for a bit. So 15 seconds. Alexa, set timer for 10 seconds.
Second timer, 10 seconds, starting now.
10 seconds. I'm going to go off camera and do this to all my nails. That's why I'm showing you this in depth. Alexa, stop. So I'm waiting for it to activate. And now 45-degree angle. In. Push. I don't want any air bubbles. Push for 10. Push for 20 seconds. Alexa.
20 seconds. Starting now.
I'm very scared, guys, because I really want this to last for 3 weeks until my birthday at least. Doesn't feel that secure. Alexa, stop. We'll see how this goes. As you can tell, I was so in love. I just kept showing you guys, like not even talking, just showing it off. And I was so happy it lasted for a day, but let's see if it lasts for 3 weeks. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.